What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Vlad with the 859 boys. So in this video, we're just going to be doing a few bits and pieces on the Dodge Challenger, but mainly we hit 100 subscribers. I am more than grateful, man. It was a journey. It's been hard. Posting, uploading, editing. It's not my jam, but we're getting there, so I'm getting the hang of it. But yeah, I mean, I'm thankful. If you guys are watching this, please subscribe. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming. So we got the wheel off. I bought a new rotor for this. I can't find it, so I am gonna be going home, searching through all my boxes of parts because I need a new rotor. I bought one, just gotta find it. So this is a whole new suspension. It's got like, oh, used. It's got all the markings on it, but right here, right there, there's the camber bolt. It's bent. I don't know if you could tell. It's missing a cap right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this sucker off and throw in the new one. Here's the new one, fresh from the dealership. Handy dandy D-Walt. I think I could just pry it out. Boom, just pried it out. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. Got her in. Now let's put this amber cap on. There we go. And then the nut. Finishing touch. There she goes. Now just tighten it and we will be good to go. Voila. So got the new rotor. Here's the old one, here's the new one. Seem to be same size. Right, let's pop it on. Voila. bumper. I mean, alignment is off, but she scoots, man. She scoots. All right, let me switch hands real quick. I'm beyond happy with this thing. It rips. I love autos. Oh, that sounds so mean. Yeah, she's a beast. I need to buy a Hellcat. No, second on the bucket list, a Hellcat. Then a Corvette. So that's basically it for today's video. Main goal was just to test drive the car, just to make sure it's dialed in and, you know, it runs, goes through the gears, downshifts, and it is top notch. I'm beyond happy with this. So let me show you the damage. We're gonna be bondoing all this. There's a few dents right here, dent right there, and then, you know, these pillars, just a bunch of little stuff. Waiting on a mirror, that's on the way here, as you can kind of tell right there. Yeah, it's gonna get pulled right there. So, and then mainly this quarter and this door. So I'm trying to fix the door, then we'll get this pulled out and straightened out. I'm not gonna replace the skin on it. Probably gonna have to buy a new bumper bracket because this won't stay in. But so this is next. I'll get the bumper bracket, and then should I do some quad tips or keep them stock? Let me know. I'm not too sure what to do. I kind of like the stock look. Might just go with stock. So yeah, just let me know what I should do. But right behind me, we got my Jeep. This is gonna come a little later on. It's a pretty badass Jeep, honestly. Love this thing. This is like kind of like my dream Jeep. It's got the Evo coilovers, Evo double throwdown, Dynatracs. It's got ATX bead locks, all the Evo goodies on it. So we'll be restoring this later down the road. Voila. So unfortunately, the video was a little bit shorter than I wanted it to be. Usually there just wasn't much to do, honestly. Main goal was to test drive the car. We did that, so smooth sailing from here. I mean, I purchased a bunch of wrong parts, so had to return them, had to buy the right ones. So everything is coming. So the front bumper is going to get assembled very soon. So I'm going to be doing the Hellcat front end conversion. So that's coming. Get all the gaps aligned. I've been waiting on the fender, so that finally came in like 2 days ago. So next up is just body work and that front bumper, and as soon as all that's done, then we're gonna go on to the next project. But right here behind me, this is my other project. So it's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This is gonna come into the videos. We got a little bit of body work we're gonna do on this, and then paint it and do the final test drive and go rip it around and go from there.